So we're talking about guacamole, all the ingredients in guacamole. Yesterday we talked about the start of guacamole, the Hass avocado. Now once you get the Hass avocado into a bowl, you need to get some lime juice on it. Limes, real limes, not lemons, not lime juice from a container. Please use real limes. And when you're picking out the limes, here's what I want you to look for. See these two limes here? I would never buy this lime. This is the lime I would buy. See how shiny it is? Looks like somebody's bald head. That's the lime I'm going to get because it has a lot more juice and it's going to be easier to get the juice out than this one here. I would never buy that one. Now, you're going to need some tomatoes. What kind of tomato? You could use a slicing tomato, but there's too much gel in a regular slicing tomato. I don't want my guacamole to be thin, to be soupy. I want it to be thick. So that's why I always use a Roma tomato. Very meaty, very cool in my guacamole. I'm Michael Marks, your produce man.